My name is Rudy Lopez Jr. I majored in culture, environment, and technology here at ASU, and I am also a Navy veteran. I'm Mexican American, so growing up I used to visit Mexico a lot, and so I used to see what the life was like out there, the culture, the environment, how people interacted with one another. And so I would learn that and I would bring that here back to America, and I would honestly see the difference. And so coming here, I really wanted to understand. This is probably the best major I could have chosen. One thing I've definitely learned is no matter the culture, no matter the language, no matter the society, if you take the time to understand and look at each individual and each individual wants and needs, we could all understand how much alike we are. Sir Jonathan Bate was great. He gave me a lot of insight on modern day problems as well as future solutions that we can come up with here at ASU. Going back to my Navy days, I've always had an admiration for the ocean. When I did my research paper on deep sea mining, it was really great for me because I got to see what was happening as well as the bigger implications. Those resources at the bottom of the sea are extremely volatile, but that being said, the extraction of those resources come with certain dilemmas and certain problems within themselves, specifically for Pacific Island nations. I'm trying to get my drone videography in order. With my CTE degree and my drone work, I was able to see firsthand how the impacts of environmental filmmaking were on my classmates and myself as well. I really just want to have a platform set up where I can be able to expand and show a large amount of people what our Earth looks like and the beauty of it, as well as, you know, maybe not the not so beautiful things about it, the destruction we may have caused, and how we could possibly, or maybe in the future, change it, you know, with actions and with driven goals. If you were to major in culture, environment, technology, I would say if you love languages, if you love people, if you love the environment, and if you love how technology has gotten us to this point, I would say this degree is for you.